I'd like to show you around our cute little casita. So as you see, you would have your own private entryway. So come on with me. A very long walkway, but at least it's a private entry. Still coming. Still coming. So back here is a cute little courtyard area. Right now we just have a couple of chairs out here, but you could do what you would like out here. We may eventually get some furniture, but right now this is what it is. Come on with me. It does have its own storage shed, washer and dryer, security door, and so since there is no dining area, we put in this cute little table for a seating area to have dinner, and then of course there's storage in the table. If you turn around, the cute little bedroom. It does have a queen size bed in here, and a closet area, dressers, nightstand, and then of course just some additional shelves. Just because it is kind of a small place, there's not a whole lot of storage. So our bathroom is just a stand. Whoa, I lost you. Hello. Our bathroom is just a standard little bathroom. Kind of cute. Favorite part of the house is this cool little sink. I don't know if you can see it, but it actually lights up. Shut that off. See? Kind of cool. Not that you need a light to wash your hands. I'm sure we all know how to do that. And then of course just a bath with a shower. So. And then our kitchen area, again, just standard stuff, above the range, microwave, full-size stove. We did just model this unit, so everything literally is brand new stove, brand new cabinetry. It is fully, I don't think stocked would be the right word, but it's full of dishes, storage containers, silverwares, cooking utensils, coffee maker, pots and pans, all the stuff that you would need. There is some tiny small cleaning stuff there, but of course you would provide your own cleaning stuff. But and then we tried to do what we would be comfortable with. So there's like some charging ports here in the coffee table, or in the end table thing, and then some cup holders, phone holders, etc. And more storage, of course, in the entertainment stand here. It does come with a TV, brand new. Like I said, everything is newly remodeled. So yeah, so this is our cute little place. So if you're interested, contact us, and you can come by and see it anytime. Okay.